One of the biggest concerns about the fiscal cliff is that the tax increases and budget cuts could send the country into another recession. So why isn't the stock market falling off the cliff? Well, financial expert Len Valetta joins us now to talk more about it. And Len, always good to see you with us. And what is the story here? Why so far are we holding our own in spite of what seems to be doomsday warnings right now?
Yeah, exactly, Liz. And we'll find out soon enough. But underlying all the headlines here, there's actually some really good news in the economy. We're seeing the real estate market is actually slowly recovering. We're seeing car sales increase. Corporate profitability is still at an all-time high. And we saw gross national product revised upward to 3.1% in the third quarter. If we could do 3.1% on a yearly basis, we'd be pretty happy with that. So again, there is some good news out there, but we can't keep going down this path.
You know, I think everybody in the back of their minds, maybe they're just hoping, but has this feeling that this is going to work out. Do you think that their investors are also taking that attitude?
And I think that there's a real good chance that that's what's happening. And obviously, if no deal is reached, we'll see whether or not the markets react really negatively. Now, remember, in the long run, we do need to raise more revenue in this country. We do need to cut expenses. The concern about the fiscal cliff is it does it all at once, and that's too much of a shock to the economy. But long term, we do need those things to happen just in measured pieces here.
And if nothing has happened or they're unable to reach some kind of agreement by the end of the year, what then?
Well, then automatic cuts take place and all of the Bush-era tax cuts expire. So immediately everyone's tax rates will go up, and some cuts, at least of which 50% is to defense budget, will happen. Some entitlement cuts will be made. So it'll be pretty painful, again, if it happens all at once. So that's the whole concept here, is we need to do this, but we need to do it slowly so that we don't cause this great shock to the economy.
Yeah, they never seem to be all that willing to do things slowly and in a measured response, do they? But we'll hope for the best at any rate. And I'm sure we'll be talking about it in the weeks ahead.
I'm sure we will.
Len Valetta from Albany Financial Group, thank you very much for being with us.
Liz, thank you.